Flash of light. The first manifestation of a nuclear detonation is a blinding flash of light. Within 0.1 seconds, temperatures reach 10 million degrees Celsius, hotter than the sun's surface. Everything within 1 kilometer vaporizes instantly. At 5 kilometers distance, exposed skin suffers third-degree burns. Those looking toward the blast face permanent blindness. Their retinas burn faster than pain signals can travel through nerves. Blast wave. 1 second later comes the overpressure wave. At 200 psi, it's equivalent to being crushed under 2,000 meters of water. Ground Zero experiences 800 kilometers per hour winds. Concrete buildings pulverize within 5 kilometers. Human bodies are torn apart. Lungs collapse from pressure differentials before victims even hit the ground. Thermal radiation. Epicenter temperatures exceed 7,000 degrees Celsius. Asphalt boils, glass flows like liquid. Within 3 kilometers, spontaneous fires merge into firestorms. The thermal pulse consumes atmospheric oxygen, suffocating survivors in shelters. Initial radiation. The first minute delivers lethal radiation. Neutrons and gamma rays penetrate walls, soil, even lead shielding. A 5-sievert dose guarantees agonizing death within weeks, hair loss, hemorrhaging, organ failure. Hiroshima victims at 1.5 kilometers received these doses. Radioactive fallout. Within 10 minutes, nuclear rain begins. Isotopes of cesium-137 and strontium-90 ascend into the stratosphere before settling hundreds of kilometers away. While Chernobyl's exclusion zone spanned 2,600 square kilometers, ground bursts create contamination zones tenfold larger. These isotopes persist for 300 years, causing cancer and mutations. Electromagnetic pulse. The explosion creates electromagnetic pulses that burn out electronics within a 1,000 kilometers radius. Hospitals, banks, air defense systems, everything stops working. Modern civilization rolls back to the 19th century. No communication, no transport, no medicine. Recovery will take decades. Nuclear winter. Detonating 100 warheads lifts enough soot to block sunlight. Global temperatures plummet by 10 degrees Celsius. Photosynthesis stops. 90% of crops fail. 5 billion people face starvation. This is the late medieval scenario: food wars, nation-state collapse, survival of the ruthless. Societal collapse. Beyond Ground Zero, civilization unravels. Millions of refugees clog highways. Hospitals overflow with radiation victims. Governments collapse within days as police and military desert to protect their families. UN estimates suggest 10 million would need emergency aid after a single detonation. Nuclear war isn't about who wins. It's about whether anything remains to fight for. Yet there's hope. Since 1986, global arsenals shrank by 80%. Our challenge? Ensure these effects remain theoretical.